Today I have a Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to show you how to get to the clean screen function on this Tesla Model Y. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have the display right here. I have the controls over on this side. In order to get to this screen right here, if you're not familiar, you'll see that there's a car symbol at the bottom left-hand corner. You'll want to tap that. Okay, you tap it and all of this comes up. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to scroll all the way down until you see display. Now once you see this display button, you're going to go ahead and press that. And then you'll go down and you'll see where it says clean screen. Okay, clean screen, screen clean mode. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. It says clean screen mode. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And when I tap that, you'll see that my screen is quite dirty and it needs cleaning. But on the screen, it says screen cleaning mode. Clean the screen with a soft cloth designed for monitors and displays. Do not use cleaners, wet wipes, or statically charged materials. Okay, so once I use what they explain that I should use, I'll go ahead and wipe off the screen, make sure that there's no fingerprints. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you how to exit of this. All right, you can clean this on your own. So once I have this, and I'm ready to get out of the screen cleaning mode, I'll go where it says hold to exit. Do you see this right here? It says hold to exit right here. And what I'm going to do is exactly that. I'm going to go to this, and I'm going to hold it, and it's going to exit in 3 seconds. And that's how you get out of the clean screen or the screen cleaning mode when you're cleaning your screen. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.